Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn another big friend formula, and it is to add 8. So what is the formula when you want to learn how to add 8? So for adding 8, the formula is less to add 10. So in a sequence you can remember. For initially, it will be easy for you to remember formulas also. For 9, yesterday I told you it's less 1 add 10. And for 8 it is less 2 add 10. Okay. So first, as usual, we will do some exercise for the flexibility of your fingers. So first it is 2. 2 plus, see, 1 plus 8. If you want to do 1 plus 8, there is no need of formula. You can normally add it. Answer is 9. But then you have to do 2 plus 8. Now for 2 plus 8, here available thing is only 7. 5, 6, 7. So you cannot add 8 directly. So now you need formula. What is the formula? Less 2 add 10. So 2 plus 8 is less 2 add 10. Answer is 10. Now we will do 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. For adding 8, you need to do less 2 add 10. What is your answer? 11. 1, 1, 11. Now we will do 4 plus 8. How to add 8? Less 2 add 10. Answer is 1 to 12. Now for 5, as I told you in previous video also, we have other friends called small friends. So 5 we won't learn now. Next is 7. So for 8 we won't learn 5, 6 both. We will learn from 7. Then what is your formula? Less 2 add 10. Answer is 15. Now next question is 8 plus 8. So this is your 8 plus 8 means less 2 add 10. Your answer is 16. 1, 6, 16. Now we have 9 plus 8 means less 2 add 10. Answer is 1, 7, 17. Okay. Now we will do for tens place digit. As for 9, similarly I told you yesterday. So for 10, 8 also it is the same rule. Like if you have tens place digit, like you have to do plus 80, then the formula changes to minus 20 plus 100. But that is very difficult to remember. So how you will remember? For example, here you have 20. Now you want to add 8 here. So wherever you want to add 8, like you want to add 80, you have 20, you want to add 80. So 8 is coming in this tens place. So here you want to add 8. So where you want to add 8, there you will subtract minus 2, and the place left to it, the next place you will add 1. So less 2 add 1, add 10. That is what you will do. That is how you will remember. But for telling purpose or explaining purpose, what do we do? Like for example, this is 2. Then you want to add 8. Then you are doing less 2 add 10. So basically what is happening here, you want to add 8 in units place. So in units place you are removing 2, and a place left to that place in tens place you are adding 1. So that is what will happen in 20s place also. For example, this is 20. Then here you want to add 8, or I mean 80. Means in tens place you are getting the number 8. So what you will do? Less 20 add 100. So for remembering, you will, how you remember, let me explain it properly. Like जहाँ पे तुम्हें ऐड करना है, जैसे टेंस प्लेस में तुम्हें ऐड करना है, तो फिर यहाँ पे तुम -2 करोगे और इस प्लेस में you will add 100, that is 1. I am explaining in English so that everyone can understand. Those who do not understand other languages, English everyone generally understands, so I am explaining in English, nothing else. Okay, so this is what you need to do. So I will teach you for all double digits also. एक बार हम कर लेते हैं. This is 20 plus 80 means less 20 add 100. 100, answer is 100. Now 30 plus 80 means less 20, add 100, 110. This is your answer. Now you have 40 plus 80 means less 20, add 100. Answer is 120, 120. Now next you have 70 plus 80 means less 20, add 100. The answer is 150, 150. Now you have 80 plus 80 means less 20, add 100, 160, 160. Then you have 90 plus 80 less 20, add 100. Your answer is 170, 170, 170. Now we will move on to some practice questions, okay? So here we have some questions and now we are going to solve them. So first question is 1 to 8. 1 to 8. So 1, next is 2. Then we have 8. For 8 we cannot add directly because here available digits are 6, 5 and 1. So this is 6. So how to do 8? Just now we learned the formula less 2, add 10. Answer is 1, 1, 11. So next question 3. Then you have to add 5. Then you have to add 8. Less 2, add 10. Answer is 16. Next question 7. What is this 7? Then you have 2. Then you have question 8. So less 2, add 10. What is your answer? 1, 7, 17. Next question 4, 8 and minus 2. 4. For again adding 8 less 2, add 10. Then minus 2. Answer is 1, 0, 10. Next question is 9, 8 and minus 7. For adding 8, less 2, add 10. And then minus 7. So answer is 10. Next question 9, 8. For 8, less 2, add 10. Then minus 6. Answer is 11. 1, 1, 11. Next question is 7, 8 and minus 5. This is 7. This is for adding 8 less 2, add 10. Then minus 5. What's your answer? It is 10. Then you have 4, 8 and 2. So 4, 8 means less 2, add 10. Then again 2. So add 2. So answer is 1, 4, 14. I hope everyone is following. If not, if you feel I'm going too fast, please pause it and see slowly. Okay? Then we have 28. This is 28. What's the question? 28, 1, 8, minus 7. So this is 28. Then 1. Then for adding 8 formula we will use less 2, add 10. And then minus 7. What's your answer? 30. 30, 30. Next question 12, 6, 8 and minus 5. This is your 12. Then this is your 6. 8 we again don't have, so we have to use formula less 2, add 10 and minus 5. So it is 21. Then we have 14. Then again we are adding 8 less 2, add 10. Then we are adding 5. Then again you have to add 8. So again less 2, add 10. So what's your answer? 35. Let me do this question again because we used formula 2 times in the same question, so you might have got a little confused. So I'm again doing it. 14. We have to add 8 but we don't have any place, so we are like doing less 2, add 10. Then we want to add 5, so we are adding it. And then again you have to add 8, so you are doing less 2, add 10. Answer is 35. Now next question is 24. You have to add 8, so formula you use less 2, add 10. Then you have to add 5, then you will subtract 2. Again the answer is 35. Now next question is 35, 4 minus 7 and 8. So 35, then you'll add 4, then you will do minus 7 and then you'll add 8. Again you'll use the formula less 2, add 10. So answer is 40. See, actually when you'll be solving, you should not do like less 2 add 10. Your fingers should move simultaneously. Like see, 35, 4 minus 7, less 2 add 10. You should not have that pause like you will do first less 2 then add 10. It should move simultaneously. For example, let's do the previous question like 12 this one. 12, 6, 8 and minus 5. So 12, 6, 8 less. Like simultaneously it should move. Less 2 add 10. Understood? You should not, for explaining you I am doing less 2 add 10. But when you will be solving, you should solve like less 2 add 10. Simultaneously it should go. There should be no gap. Like 12, 6, less 2 add 10, less 5. 21 is your answer. So next question I will be doing simultaneously. So keep focus. 85. 85, then 3, less 2 add 10 and minus 6. Understood? Answer is 90. Then we have 67. Then you'll add 2. Then you'll add 8. For that the formula is less 2 add 10. See, I am doing simultaneously. Before I was showing you less 2 then add 10 like this. But now I am doing it simultaneously. Less 2 add 10. Saw it? Yes. Then minus 6. Answer is 71. Okay, so this is all about big friend formula. So in next class I will again deal with big friend formula only. So I hope again in today's description box I will provide you with some questions. So please do solve those questions. It will be really helpful in other classes because see, now we are practicing individually each friend. Then later on you will get questions in which you have to use 2-3 friend formulas together. So if you practice now, then it will be useful then. Okay? Thank you. Keep learning. And if you find my videos helpful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel.